Hi there, my name is Star. I am a mother, artist, and community worker in the Mount Dennis area, and I'll be sharing some of my content around creating art using things around the house. Ode'Imin means strawberry in Ojibwe, and that is what we're going to use today for this tutorial. Ode'Imin also means heartberry. So the strawberry plant is both nutritional and medicinal. I invite you to create a heart card. I want you to think about, what does your heart need during this time? How do we care for ourselves and others also during this time? And perhaps that means a heartfelt thank you card for someone you know. Here's an example of a card I created for myself and for others. In this image, I use Ode'Imin to represent nourishment and healing. I offer my heart. I think about the 7 generations before and after me. And at the same time, I nourish my own heart to feed those generations before me and those still yet to come. Big shout out to UrbanArts for inviting me to share creative content with you during this time.